Hi, it's Dave T here, and if you're after a nice lunchtime snack, there's nothing better than a sandwich, and it's always fun to try something a little bit different. So today I'm going to show you my sort of creation, kind of got it off the web, of a avocado and egg sandwich. Now what you're going to need for this is a fresh avocado, some Hollandaise sauce, 2 eggs, that's if you want to make this for 2 people, some fresh bread, and some lovely salad leaves. So whilst we're waiting for the eggs to boil, a few fun facts about avocados. They are very healthy for you. They actually have more fibre than pretty much any other fruit. They've got more potassium than bananas, believe it or not. They're also very good for your immune system and lowering cholesterol. And believe it or not, whilst this may look like it's from an alien movie, it's actually very photogenic, because in the summer of 2017, more than 3 million photos of avocados were uploaded to Instagram every single day. Now, if you're buying an avocado, you do want to make sure it's ripe but not overripe, and the best thing to do is just to give it a slight press on the skin, and you want to have some give there, but it not to feel squishy. If it feels squishy, then it's overripe and best avoided. So if there's no give at all, then it's probably not ripe, and that's fine if you want to eat it in a couple of days or so. They will ripen up, but you want one just with a little bit of give in the skin. Now, avocados were a new thing for me in terms of opening and so on until a month or so back, but it's a fairly straightforward thing. So what you want to do is, there is a large pip or seed in the center, so you want to kind of aim for that so you don't stab your hand, and then all you want to do is rotate this around, and if you get it right, you're doing it halfway along line, and pretty much always, as if by magic, ends up exactly back where you started. So that's got a cut line all the way around the avocado there, and then what you want to do, so you've got the cut line here, might not be able to make that out, and then providing it's reasonably ripe, just want to twist, it'll come away like that. We've then obviously got the pip or the seed in one half, and the trick to get this out carefully, just line the knife up with it, stab like that, and then just give it a bit of a twist, and it should come away just like that. So the next trick, because there do seem to be a lot of tricks when it comes to avocados, is to actually slice it. Don't try and peel it, that will end up in a mess. So what we want to do is just carefully with the knife, poke through, don't press too hard, you don't want to cut your hand. I'm just going to cut it into slices lengthways like this. As I say, just get the knife just so it touches, you can feel it touching the skin of the avocado, not your skin. Cut through gently like that. And these are about, I guess, about 8 millimeters, sort of almost 2/8 of an inch slices like that. I'm going to put that to one side for a second until we get to the next stage, which is basically going to be sort out the bread. Now you can use whatever bread you like, but I particularly like some nice fresh sourdough, which I'm then going to toast. Now I tend to give it a light toasting on one side, which will be the inside, and then a slightly heavier toasting on the outside, just so you get that nice caramelization effect of the toasting. Personally, I like to give it a bit of butter, or in this case, healthy spread on the inside, but that's optional. And then the real luxury, not healthy at all, is some lovely Hollandaise sauce. Nice healthy dollop, or not healthy dollop, applied to one side. And with a teaspoon, you're just going to pop those slices out and lay them onto the first slice of toast. They should come out nice and easy. That lovely verdant green outer edge, showing how lovely and ripe the avocado is. And now, after allowing them to cool, we return to our eggs, and with a sharp knife, carefully we're going to slice some nice chunky slices of egg and lay them over as a delicious contrast to the green avocado. And finally, according to taste, some black pepper. And if your doctor's not watching, a bit of salt, and cap off the creation.